Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Zoom while trying to update the Zoom application on Windows as well as on Mac operating systems. You got the error unable to install with error code 10004. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, make sure you choose the option download and install to make your operating system up to date. And then click on start menu, type in Zoom. Here choose the option run as administrator. Make sure you choose the option run as administrator and then try to update the Zoom to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step you need to uninstall and then reinstall the Zoom completely. So for Windows users, right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here appwiz.cpl and then hit the enter key. Here find the Zoom application, select it and choose the option uninstall. Make sure you uninstall the application completely and restart is must. Make sure you restart your PC before reinstalling the application. After uninstalling, head over to your browser and open this particular website of Zoom and then choose 64-bit or 32-bit download depending upon the type of system you have. Save it into your PC. Once it is saved, go ahead and run this installer to fix out the issue of Zoom unable to install with error code 10004. Now, in case of Mac users, they first need to uninstall Zoom from their PC. To do so, go ahead and launch the Finder. Now navigate to apps option over here and then right click on zoom.us. Then select the option get package content from menu and then click on the option open content. Here click on open framework and double click on Zoom uninstaller to completely uninstall the Zoom from your Mac operating system. After uninstalling the Zoom from the Mac, you need to visit its official website whose link I will provide you in the description of this video. At this point of time, make sure you choose the option download for Apple Silicon. This process is must. Click on it and save this installer into your PC. And in the meantime, make sure you enable this installer by opening the privacy and security. From here, click on the option full disk access and then click on the option find installer and then enable it. Then again go back to privacy and security and this time click on files and folders and over here also you need to enable the installer. Once the installer is enabled at both ends, go ahead, use this installer and then install this installer in the Mac operating system and this will completely fix out the issue of Zoom unable to install update with error code 10004. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.